Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Settings so you can change the hotspot name immediately. On iPhone, tap General About to edit the device name. On Android, go to Settings, Connections, Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, then Mobile Hotspot. Do this now because the personal hotspot name is derived from your device name. Changing it at the system level ensures every hotspot service picks up the new label. Once done, make sure you save the new device name, so the next steps use the updated identity. Now edit the actual hotspot identity and security so your network is both recognizable and safe. You change the device name field to the desired hotspot name, and then confirm the hotspot settings screen reflects that change. Next, set a strong WPA2 or WPA3 password. Use a mix of letters and numbers, because an easy name with weak security invites unwanted connections. After adjusting band or visibility options, save and toggle the hotspot off, and then finish by verifying the hotspot broadcasts correctly so your peers can join the renamed network. From a second device, scan available Wi-Fi networks and look for the new name. Connect using the updated password to confirm functionality. If you don't see the new name, restart your hotspot device and the connecting device, because caches often hold the old label. If problems persist, reset network settings as a last resort. This clears saved networks and forces a clean broadcast, but make sure you know saved passwords first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.